Let's continue our setup by navigating to the Help section, specifically the Setting Up Step-by-Step Guide. Now let's focus on Section D, which involves creating some suppliers and customers. We'll use a shortcut to quickly access the Supplier Creation section. Let's go ahead and add a new supplier by giving it a code. We'll name the supplier Metal Mart. That's all for the naming part. The 2 entries we've made are required for creating a supplier. Let's proceed with completing the rest of the supplier's contact details. After entering all the necessary information, click on Create Supplier. With that, our supplier is successfully created. You can add more suppliers in the same way. Now, let's head back and mark this step as complete. Next, we'll move on to creating some customers. You can follow the link provided here. Once there, click on the Add Customers button to begin. Set the customer number. Type in the customer name. These fields are mandatory for the customer setup. After completing these mandatory fields, let's fill out the rest of the customer's information and then move on. When you have entered all the necessary details, click Create Customer. You can repeat this process to add more customers. Let's go back and mark this step as done. Great, we've completed that segment. Now we'll circle back to do Step E in the next video. Now that we've wrapped up the customer and supplier setup, the next step will involve adding some equipment and manufacturing setup.